Your brain does not quit because the push-up is too hard. It quits because it cannot find a version it trusts. The incline push-up is that version. Hands elevated on a bench or table, same chest, same shoulders, same triceps, but with exactly enough load reduction that your nervous system stops fighting the movement and starts learning it. Subscribe for psychology-based training that actually builds real strength from the ground up. Here is exactly how. Find a bench, a table, or any elevated surface between knee and hip height. The higher the surface, the lighter the load. Start higher if you need to. Place both hands on the edge, shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward, wrists neutral. Step both feet back until your body forms one perfect straight line from your head to your heels. Core braced, glutes tight, hips level. Not sagging, not piking. Now lower your chest toward the surface, elbows tracking at 45 degrees, not flaring wide. Stop just before your chest touches the edge. Press back through your palms to full arm extension. Squeeze the chest hard at the top. That is one perfect rep. 3 sets, 10 reps, every single day. The psychological win of completing every rep builds the neural confidence that makes harder versions possible. Your nervous system learns trust before your muscles learn strength. Give it the right load. Give it this one. The floor is closer than your brain thinks.